Hi guys. Hey, guys, I got myself into something here. I was gonna do a video, but I wanted to get my treadmill together. So I said, hey, I'll just take you guys along with me. So I want to be running by tomorrow, walking on this thing or something. But look, I got a big challenge here. I purchased this nice Horizon Fitness 2.50 ultra quiet motor, which I like. I really bought it too because of the motor is quiet and the hydraulics that's on it. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. But it's called the Horizon Fitness T101, and it wasn't that expensive. I got it on sale for $646. Original price was like $1,200, but I said that's a steal. So with the gym and stuff closed and everything, especially here in California, the gyms are closed, and I felt like I need to bump it up a little bit. I do ride my bike, and I still hit the punching bag, but I feel like I needed to brush it up a little bit. I'll take it to the next level. But guys, this right here, I don't know. It's going to be a huge challenge. So I wanted to do it because this is the first and the last time that I will ever put a treadmill together. So yes, so first and last here, guys. So this treadmill is definitely awesome. It's not that much, and it says lightweight, the T101. And so here's the front part of it, and this right here is the instructions. The instructions. To me, it looks like it's foreign or something. It looks foreign. So, do I have it up right? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I do. So these are the bolts. Here's the instruction here, and hopefully I can pull this thing off, guys. Oh my God. Oh. I'm praying that I can get it together. So over here we have these big old brackets here. They're pretty heavy. Actually, this thing was probably weigh about 165 pounds. So but just the bracket itself, this is the left one, this is the right one, and pretty cool with that. And here it was packaged really, really good. Here's the boards right here that was in it. It was a lot more, but I took them out. But it was packaged really, really well. So right now, I just want to let you guys know and see how this treadmill works, okay? So pretty nice, pretty cool. So I'm just going to lift it up right quick and see. First time doing this because it's supposed to be hydraulics. So it's really easy too. It's not really hard to put up. See, you heard that click? That's awesome. So this is like for storage, like you want to put it up. Pretty cool. You got this hydraulics here. And to let it down, you just go. I'll do it again. There we go. See how it comes down? Then it's going to stop. It's going to stop. See? How cool is that? You don't have to let it down. It goes down by itself. So as anything hydraulic like this, I'm all in. So yeah, I'm going to put this thing together. I know I'm going to put it together. I thought it said chimp. I thought it said I was going to chimp to put it together. So yeah, I will put it together because I definitely want to be running by tomorrow or walking. So first I'm going to start with this, guys, okay? So stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the bracket here. It says right, and here is the right arm that says right arm here. So here's the right one, the right bracket. So what I'm going to do, as the direction says, guys, I sure hope so. Like put it here, and I'm going to put these little screws in. Is this the right one? Probably not. Probably not the right one. Let's see, maybe this one. Maybe it's not going in. So yeah, guys, I sure hope I'll be running by tomorrow. I want to be running by tomorrow. Oh, what a nice little handy tool. How's that? So they made that easy. Yeah, made that easy. So what I'm doing here, I'm just putting screws in here. This says number 1, so I want to start with 1. I don't think it's really going to be that difficult to try to put it together. It seems like it's going to be okay. But I'm always getting myself into something. Some kind of challenge to prove myself that I got this. Yes. So, yeah, so now you guys, especially females, that you're out there, say, oh, I need somebody to put my treadmill together. Well, you know what? Get yourself a Horizon T101 and watch this channel, and you should be good to go. Now, here's the challenge here. This is a rope right here. You bring the camera in so you see the rope. Here's the rope right here. So what they say, I have to put this right here on, and I'm going to string it through. But this goes to the top. So does it go that way? It goes this way. And you just tie it around here. And goodness, I sure hope it doesn't fall off, because if it falls off, and then you have to just pull it through. You have to pull it through here. Please don't fall off. I'm in trouble if it does. We are in some serious trouble if this thing falls off somehow through this process. If I can feel it. Oh yes. She's going. Don't fall off. Please, 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 please. Come on through. Come on through. Come on through. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Where the heck did that came out? It's gotta be almost. Okay guys, stay tuned. First blooper. Okay guys, so I had a challenge trying to get the wire, this wire here, come up some, so you can show them. This wire right here, through here, to go all the way up here. To go up here. So that was my challenge. So I got the screws in here, and so now I just got to do the other side. So stay tuned for the other side. Almost there. Okay guys, we're back now. So here's the left side. Already attached the brackets right here. These 2 screws. And I'm going to attach it to this side over here. Like that. And put this side on. But I'm going to need my cameraman, my camera person to help me hold it. So we're going to stay tuned, okay? Moving right along. Thank you guys. Okay guys, I'm still hanging in there. I got this through. I got the arms in. The arms was pretty much the same as on each side. And I showed you guys how to put those brackets on. So this is the left and this is the right. So finally, I'll put on the top part. And then maybe we're done. Then maybe I'll be running tomorrow. I'll even walking tomorrow. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so here's the top part. Almost to the finish line. So yeah, you guys, you can do this yourself. So easy to do. That's one reason why I picked this out, because it was kind of easy to do. So basically, I have to just hook these parts together. Oh, let's see if I can get up. Okay. So I have to hook these 2 together over here. These 2 right here together. Then I have to put the top part on. And we're almost there. Then I have to put the screws in here and screws in on this side. Yes. we should be done. So this bad boy work. Down to the finish line. Almost done. Oh, I'm here. Here's that wire that I went through. I had to thread it through. And I'm just going to pull this cover on up here like that. And then I did this side over here. Take the camera to there. I did this side already. So that's pretty much how it's supposed to look. And I'm getting ready to do this side. Then I think after this, we should be good to go. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna need my sister's hands to help me hold this so I screw it in. So, all right, coming up together. So the only thing now me and my daughter has to do is plug it up. So yeah, it's a pretty cool treadmill. The lighting is kind of bad in here, but look, it has speakers here, and I go over everything. That's if it works. So I'm gonna go look over here right now and see will it work. I'm gonna plug it in. Let's see. Oh, I pray that it worked. What about you?
Me too. Oh, it's on.
It's on?
It's on. Look. It's on. It's on.
All right.
Woo, it's on.
we did it. Now, first thing, don't get on. Let me try here first.
So, hold on.
Okay, so that says incline. So let's see. We're going to start.
Oh, it's moving.
Oh, boy.
It's moving.
Oh, go back. Oh, wow. Check this out.
Look at you move. Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh my gosh.
I did it. Wow, I guess I'm going to be walking tomorrow. A running one. Not hard to do, guys. So I'm going to let her bring the camera up so you can see what this bad boy has on it. And get on the side. So here, maybe I can get the camera. Bring the camera up. So we have, like you can check, I guess like your weight here, and time, that's time.
Yeah, that's time.
And then look, it could take your calories also. And what I really like about it, it has a Bluetooth, it has some ports over here, and there's also Bluetooth as well. So guys, I really don't know everything about it, but one thing I am happy that I got it together. And over here is the incline right here. And on this side right here, it's the quick speed. Oh, I could have did a quick speed over on this side. I didn't know. So there you go. There you go. What?
It has a fan.
Oh yeah, that's right. It has a fan right here too. So I'm just so happy that this bad boy is working. Hold this for a second. I'm just so happy that it's working, guys. That I did it. So I'm going to stop the speed a little bit, go down.
You're turning up the speed.
I'm turning up the speed. Oh my God. The first thing I need to know how to work this thing, right?
Yeah. Right there. Or you can... Looks like it's going even fast.
Yes. No,
yeah,
it's
it's
not.
slowing.
Okay, so I'm so glad, guys. I really got it. It was pretty much a challenge. It really was. But I didn't give up. I did not give up. And I think it took me about, what, an hour, maybe?
But an hour and 30 minutes.
Hours, exact. Hour and 30 minutes. And the reason why I kept stopping because I needed her to help me. I needed her to hold the things for me, you know, the tools and everything else. So, yeah, this is it. It's Bluetooth and everything. And I also got speakers. Oh, yeah, I'm ready to go. Got a cup holder here. A cup. Oh, wow. Awesome. Awesome. So, it's called the Horizon T101. And it got a lot of things. And I think this is pretty much like starter treadmill. But I'm so excited to learn all about all this stuff. And it's nice, guys. One thing I like about it too, you can also jump up on the side like this here. Let's see. So I can just hit stop.
Yeah.
Perfect. Wonderful. Nice. And how do you turn it off?
How you turn it off is you turn it off back here.
Okay, so
There's
turn
a
it
tiny switch right here.
there you go. What would I do without you? What would I do without my little sisters? And then I'm going to push it up like this. It goes up. And it's supposed to click. Like that.
When it clicks, that's when it...
And if I want to exercise, which will be really soon tomorrow.
Just...
Tap it.
Yeah, there.
It goes down.
Watch your feet.
Yeah, it will. See? How cool is that? Guys, I am so proud of myself. I am so proud of myself that I did it. I am so proud. So, anyway, you guys can also do this and never doubt yourself. Because at first I doubted myself, but I don't have to doubt myself now. And this is it. This is it. You did it. Very proud of myself, guys. So you know what? I always say you got this. And the whole time I was saying to myself, I got this. I want to be running by tomorrow. And I got this. And you know what? I did. I did it. Me and my little helper. So, Bluetooth, wireless speakers. Can't wait to get on here and jog and use the wireless speakers here. I got two big old speakers here. So the most of all, I'm sure that it's working. I'm glad that it's working. Here's the key here, just if you want to just stop really fast. That's the key to pull it out. So anyway, guys, never doubt yourself. Never doubt yourself. Never doubt yourself, and always say to yourself, you got this. Go for the challenge. And I did. My first treadmill putting together, guys, was a piece of cake. No, not really. we had some challenges. So, okay, hope you liked my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos and to support me. I definitely appreciate that, guys. So, have a blessed week, and I'll see you next time right here. Peace out, everybody. Peace.